How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the Repost section in your feed. You can view all your reposts on TikTok right here. Open the repost you want to remove. Then tap on the added icon beside it as shown. Then tap on Reposted. Now tap on Remove Repost. You have now successfully removed this repost. You can repeat this to remove all your reposts. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and delete all reposts on TikTok at once.